Local news for Thursday, the 2nd of July. First-home buyers have benefited from the steady decline in mortgage rates that have been happening for typical first-home buyers in Wairarapa with a 10% deposit based on May's selling price in the region. A mortgage could cost around $385 to $400 a week. Dairy Business of the Year awards are being held tonight at 7 p.m. via live stream. The awards showcase and celebrate New Zealand's most profitable, resilient and sustainable dairy farms. Last year, Sean Southey, who manages a Hopkins Group farm near Longburn, Manawatu, won the Dairy Business of the Year Best Farm Performance Award for the Lower North Island, which included Wairarapa and Taranaki. NIWA's seasonal outlook for Wairarapa has been released. Temperatures are most likely to be above average and rainfall totals are equally likely to be near normal. That said, snow flurries were reported late yesterday afternoon and the Rumatika Hill remains with a snow warning in place for the hill. And finally in sport, the Wairarapa United men are at home this weekend. They're taking on Petone. The women are also at home playing Seatoon, while in hockey, Daleford men and women are both away to Hutt United. Kia ora for local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.